Hi, how you doing? My name is Dr. Jeff Layton. I'm an enterprise technologist for HPC at Dell. And I'm here at Supercomputer 12 here in lovely Salt Lake, and we're just closing. So I wanted to share some things I've been seeing here at SC12 and some trends, because I've been coming to SC for, I hate to admit, about 20 years. But I want to share about 3 things with you that I've seen at SC12 that I think is just really fascinating. The first one is all around power and cooling, particularly cooling. There's a lot of emphasis on hitting exascale and using lots of power to achieve more computation, but you have to cool the system at the same time. Lots of different vendors talking about it. In the Dell booth, we've been talking about our Energy Smart Rack, where we can take a normal underfloor cooling data center and cool up to 32 kilowatts a rack, no changes to the data center. Wonderful ideas from other companies as well, talking about how to cool units, including some crazy people talking about doing water all the way to the processor memory, which is a little crazy, but nevertheless it's interesting to think about. The second trend I've been seeing is more emphasis and renewed emphasis on storage. Not just only capacity and performance, but we're also talking about the rise of genomics, proteomics, and bioinformatics in general, and what they need from storage. They need lots of small file performance, and they have tons and tons of data. So now storage is not just about going really fast and making it really cheap and lots of it. It's all now doing that with small files, which is really difficult. So we see a number of vendors on the floor talking about that. At Dell, we have some solutions we're talking about to address that problem in 2013. And then the third trend is actually talking about a blatant commercial for Dell, but I think it has a lot of applicability to everybody. And we're sitting here in TAC's booth, University of Texas Advanced Computing Center, and their new system named Stampede, which is built with Dell servers, with Intel Sandy Bridge processors, and Intel Phi accelerator cards. So even if you kind of ignore the accelerator, the fact that with 6,000 nodes, they achieve 90% efficient on the top 500 run with Sandy Bridge and Mellanox InfiniBand is amazing. We've never seen this performance from anybody before. And now we layer Intel Phi architecture on top of that, we're starting to see tremendous accelerated performance. So here at TAC, we're talking about the potential to hit 10 petaflops for only $27.5 million. It sounds like a lot of money, but 10 petaflops is an amazing amount of performance. So I hope to see you at Supercomputing 13 in Denver. SC12 was a lot of fun here in Salt Lake, especially landing in the snow. Hopefully Denver will be snow-free next year. So until then, thanks very much.